was looking for a sell-off for the euro. Open, they initially pull back here and just rally back up, right? Have on here one YM micro is down $20. I'm gonna look to short. This YM is struggling, but NQ is the strong guy right now. Street 13. Right, I'll look for a short play here. It rally up. If we look at the indices here, and we look here, we could see the European market is getting trashed. They're recovering off the low though, because these guys are down. The DAX is down over 300. All right, so they're recovering. This guy was down over 100 too. The FTSE 100. So they're recovering a little. As you can see, our markets, the US futures are going up. As they recover, we get the initial flush here at a 3 AM, come back, pivot back up, right? So now we're trading above the 50% level of the Globex session, high to low 50% level. We at the VWAP here, right? I'll wait for an entry here. I'm going to take one micro here, test the waters here on NQ, all right? Take one micro. I didn't expect them to rally it up, but it did. So I got it. The unexpected could happen, right? I was hoping for a flush based on the virus spreading in the UK and other countries about the UK flights, right? I still think there's an opportunity to come back from here back to the mean, where we break out the squeeze back, squeeze fire long. Once this is exhausted, right? I think I'm gonna take one A-mini here if I get fill. All right, move away from me, then get fill. See if it come back and touch me here. Close to the high. This is a swing here. So close to that swing, which is this level here. All right, that would be my stop, anyhow, tight stop. All right, I'll look to see if it could just flush, you know. The micros, see how the micros are working. Got a trend line there. Price is below the trend line. Looking at this level here, break this swing on the E-minium out. So we got some barometers we're trading around him, right? There's the prior swing here for the micro. It's the same as here. All right. Because if we change this here to a could see the prior swing is here, which is alignment here, right? So we up like $30. So we could come back to the mean here, right? Makes a little profit, right? This micro's down, this micro's guy took this guy early. That's in straight clock. I end this straight here. Let's see if we flush here now, right? 317. So this guy come down here and then rally up for like 50 minutes, right? See, still in an uptrend, right? Still in an uptrend, momentum shifting a little though, right? All right. The squeeze may get exhausted here. Usually 8 to 10 bars on the histogram, but could go longer, right? Because it's an uptrend, right? So we're just doing a counter trend trade. If we break the VWAP, all right, and we come back here to the mean here, right? So the VWAP here, there's on the micro. If we look at the E-mini, break the VWAP, all right? Trading below the VWAP number, right? There's the VWAP here, this red line here, right? So we're looking to come back in this area here, all right? Not getting any panic selling though. Get a little panic selling here at the open and then a recover. I was anticipating for a bigger flush. It did happen in Europe, but it didn't reflect here in the US futures. Because we got competing forces. We got in the US, we got a stimulus pass, right? So we're not getting, if we didn't have the stimulus, all right, this thing would have flush, right? This is a prior swing here. So if we break this prior swing here, we go up a little more. Or if we come back, we could come back to this prior swing and it would be a nice trade if it goes my way, but I'm fighting the trend here, right? We're in an overbought condition on the 1 minute chart, all right, in an uptrend. So maybe we could pull back a little and then continue our way higher, right? Went back above the VWAP. This is my stop up here. YM recover finally. Still looking for that pullback here. Still looking for fair. So now we up $60 again. See that? That's my stop up there, right? So we could take the $50 and run and pay for this trade here. We got this micro working. He's up $10. Right. So now YM goes up, NQ pulling back. They're taking turns here. Okay. Can at least get $100 from the straight easy, right? So but $95 here now. We could book 100 here, but we come back here. I'm looking for a bigger flush. Right. We could take the profit and run here. Right. Or we could hold it. See how this candle close. And where the next candle open. We got 10 seconds for that. That could determine how if I stay in the trade or not tomorrow. Okay, the candle will open just below it, but it's more like a neutral candle, right? So come back to the mean here, right? If you come back to the mean there, that would be a good spot to make a little money, right? All right, if it break the mean, then we come tumbling down to this prior swing. That would be the home run trade, right? So you're up at $165, all right? The micro. So I'm looking for this swing here. Swing maybe is at this band here. I think we get that far, but right, but the momentum shift, all right? See, we get 8 to 10 bars in the histogram. We look for the shift, right? So here we come now. We up $180, right? If you guys want, we could book some profit here and call it a day, right? Okay, we get a higher swing, a higher low. We should pivot up back a little. We can give back some back here. But then I still think we continue our journey down because, the momentum is shifting, but can't get greedy here, right? So we could take the $175. We could always get back in, or we could hold it for a home run, right? See, when you get these swings, they usually pivot up, right? But you got to ask yourself, are we pivoting in an uptrend? Or are we pivoting in a downtrend? Right now, we're pivoting in a downtrend. So we hesitate here, and we look to see if they fail. This prior swing is not too far away, right? He come to this prior swing, he don't break below, trade over, right? Or we could just take the money here and run, right? Got $180. Now take the $185. Oh, now we get a sell signal. Okay, so we make 185, and over here, the micro is up 23, and the Nasdaq micros recover. So see what happened? Look at this guy, gonna hit that swing. Got out pretty much. Well, it's better to feed the ducks when you have a profit. It's better to take a profit when you can, not when you have to, right? When you have to, that means it's going against you, right? So we take the quick profit, $185, but he could come back to the swing here. If he failed the swing, then we drop in, right? But it's still in an uptrend, right? We trade the momentum, right? The momentum swing, right? That's how you do it, right? So you come back here, then touch the swing, prior swing here. If you break the prior swing, he's coming low. And then we just use the micro. Stay in the micro. YM micro is down 18 and Q micro up $27. Go back, look at the micro. It's down $27. So we say if this break this swing here, we come in here. Momentum shift. See how we play that momentum shift? Looking at the amount of bar histogram of the squeeze, looking for the entry, pick the stop above the swing right here, take the trade, take a little, little heat. Now watch what happened here. We got a 5 on 21 crossover, which looking to break the prior swing. Oh, here we go. So we got out a little too early in that trade. If we had more than one contract, we could have hold it longer. Right, we only had one, we take the profit. Right? What do we see? You got to close below this swing to continue lower, right? But if you don't break that, you're going to pivot back up. But we have a downward trend right now. The dots are painting down, which is following price, right? In the direction our price is doing. If these dots become parallel, then you can hesitate here, right? We break the swing, or we didn't close below the swing. See that? But we're in a downtrend, so yeah, we leave some money on the table, but that's fine. We make it in the micros. This one is down $10. This one is up $28. So we could take that guy off too. Because if we don't break this swing, we could come here to these bands, right? Moment the squeeze is shifting to the downside. Volume is getting low here. So that's good. This is a 5 on 21 crossover from the green cloud to the red cloud, right? So here we come. Okay, we're closing below the swing, right? But you see the swing is moving now. This is where the swing originally formed. But as we keep going down, the swing is keep moving, right? Because we're still in a downtrend. So this was where we wanted to break when the prior swing. So break below the prior swing looking to the left of the chart, right? There was a prior swing there. here, this prior swing here. All right. This was it here, but I used this level, just above here, a swing. It breaks it. So now if we put a line here, that was the true prior swing. I go a couple, ticks above the swing to get an idea of momentum. But this was the prior swing. So, all right, so I think I'm taking off that micro. My micro is up $35. All right. If we go back and we look here, all right, to see how he's faring here. You come down to these bands. Yeah, we still got some more in it, right? We still got some more, but I think that's good enough. $36 on the micro is a good profit, right? We take that off and make 180 plus 38, right? 200 plus, be out, 39.50, and then he drop. After we close it, it drop. YM is down $33. He's only down $3. See YM is coming down. So you see how we trade that? All right. Give up some money, give up a lot of money because they're going to be at over 200, 300. Oh my God, they flush it now. Oh, wow, they flush it. We still got this guy on, but they just flush it. Look at that. Nearly a 40 ticks move down from this swing here. All right. Oh my God, sell signal. Wow. Wow. That would have been the home run trade I was looking for. We miss it. Guess we can't win them all, right? So YM knows even. YM, we got a little profit on that flush. YM is down 125. We could let us YM stay on, all right? NQ is down 2 now. Give up like 50 points, 40 points, all right? We get that flush, break below this band. We should pivot, right? Because we break 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Break below the low band. Still, guys, you could come back here to the Globex low now, right? Current session Globex low is here, right? Right. But we came down here too far, right? We could actually pivot up back, right? Yes, NQ, this YM, and maybe come back even. It's down 123 points. You gotta, we could come out here, break even, and take this off and look for another setup. Because when you recover $30, $40 in a micro is a lot, right? So you could just pay for commission, take that guy off, and reset, right? We out of everything. This was the home run trade here. Okay, guys, that's all for now. We'll look for another trade. If we pivot up back, or they're just going to run it down from here. Before I turn the recording off, let me look and see how the European markets are doing. The DAX is, look at it. FTSE 250 is down 300 points. The FTSE 100 recover a little, DAX recover a little, but France is getting whacked, right? So that's where we are. Right, that helped our trade by analyzing the overseas market, help us in how we think the U.S. futures would react, right? Right. We take off this prior swing. We use these levels now. Now just create a new swing here. We lock that swing there, prior swings. That's it. Just let it run it up back again. Then we look for another trade, right? Stopping the recording now.